Hi, my name is Lynn Barker. I am the general manager at the Statesville location of America's Home Place. We are located in Statesville, North Carolina, right where interstates I-77 and 40 meet, and we build in a 50-mile radius of Statesville. One question we typically get from a customer is, how can I get the most for my money? And we're very concerned about that. We want the customer to get a great deal on their home. There's a lot of variables that go into the pricing of a home. And what we try to do is, first of all, we try to look at the homeowner to see what their dream is, what their goal is. Then we see what they're wanting to spend, naturally. And then we see how that fits into the process of which home to choose and also which lot to choose. When we're talking about a budget, then we're talking about the size of the house. We're talking about is it a two-story or is it a ranch? So when you're purchasing the house, when you're talking with a building consultant, they're going to ask you a lot of questions. They're going to want to know, what are you looking for? What are the things that click for you? And also, what are the things that you don't want? Do you want a garage? Do you not want a garage? Do you want a bonus room? And then that building consultant can direct you toward a plan with the items that you're looking for. And then you can see how just the house fits in your budget. What we're trying to do is we're trying to communicate with the homeowner for them to tell us what they want. What is their dream? What are they looking for? It could be as simple as I grew up beside this oak tree and it's been my dream to build my house beside that oak tree my entire life. Can that work? And then we can say, it can work. This is what it would take to make it work. We create a spreadsheet for each customer that we call the homeowner allowance sheet. On that homeowner allowance sheet, we have every item listed: putting in your driveway, the gravel that's needed for your driveway, grading, backfilling the house, installing the septic system, installing the well. We go to the site and we figure out what these costs are going to be. We put these numbers on our allowance sheet, and then we'll have a total at the bottom. When I talk to the customers at the beginning of the job, that money is always one of the items. When you purchase a house with America's Home Place, you get that contract price up front. So it's kind of like two different worlds. In the first world, where you're actually picking out your house, then you're making those decisions about the size of the home, the options you want, and you lock in on a price on that house. And once that price is set, it's locked in. It's a contract deal. We consider ourselves a custom home builder simply because we meet with our customer, we try to find out what they want, and then we try to make our plan match the dream that they have in their head. You can go to americashomeplace.com for more information. You can also see our plans on the website, and be sure to like and subscribe.